Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about members property that we added in the MDX query. Okay, so if you take it normal terminology, members are nothing but the values that we stored in the particular attribute called members. Okay, in a table is nothing but object. So in the object, you will have many attributes. Okay, under that each attribute there will be many values. Okay, whatever the values that you display are nothing but your members. Okay, and also in the cube dimensionality you will have a for the any particular attribute you will have a two levels. Okay, so let's say this is my dimension. Okay, this is my dimension. Under that I have a calendar year. Okay, date dot calendar year, that is my level 1. Under that again I will have a calendar year, that is my level 2. Under the level 2 I will have all my members or values. Okay, so why I'm specifically mentioning these members? Okay, um, usually whenever we browse the cube data in Excel, what will happen, we get the data on the members wise respective each member wise, and then in the end you will get the grand total of the all the members values. Okay, so now here this is the only I mean fetching the grand total is only possible in the Excel easily. Okay, not only this, here if you connect to the normal SQL database you can easily get the grand total for the selected measures. Okay, but the same view that we can whatever we see in this Excel, right, the aggregated view, same view can be produced in the MDX query. Okay, so that's the where we use the members. Okay, so the first query, let's execute the first query. What do we see? Okay, you can see here I get the individual members. Okay, and their respective sales measure value. I mean sales reseller sales amount value. Okay, on top of it you can see here whatever you get in the bottom, the grand total is appearing in the first. Okay, where it's telling that all periods, which is nothing but your all members grand total. Okay, now so I mean usually this is how you can fetch the grand total for that whatever the attribute that you select. In case if you don't want the grand total, I mean you don't want to see this all periods value, then what we do, we introduce the second level of the calendar year, which is nothing but it will be written like a date dot calendar year dot calendar year. So that means this particular calendar year is having the second level, right? So now if I execute this statement, what will happen, you will get your individual member values and their respective sales amount, but this time you won't get the all periods revenue, which is nothing but your grand total. Okay, so this is how you can write level 2, or you can also write mentioning the level 2. Here you enter the calendar year level 1, calendar year level 2, and then you can also mention the members. Okay, even when you execute this statement you will get the same results. The difference between the second query and third query, there is no main difference, both will fetch the same results. Okay, but after we write these numbers, you see I can see there are null values, right? So which is pretty annoying. Now to avoid those null values you can do either non-empty. Okay, then you get the, it will get excluded, or you can write the same statement. Okay, one second. Yeah, you can write the same statement in different way to exclude the non-empty values. Instead of non-empty here, I can use the non-empty at my measure level. Okay, non-empty. Now I execute this, so again it will fetch the same results. Yeah, I mean basically, sorry, this non-empty is only excludes the null values and aggregate the value. But if we like to do the non-empty, we need to do here. In fact, I did the mistake previously. Now I can exclude the cells which are non-empty for calendar year based on the reseller sales amount. Now if I execute here you go. So it's excluded the calendar years which don't have a reseller sales amount. Okay, so you can go through more about my video which is covered the non-empty, how the non-empty works and how we can exclude the null values based on the different measures and different level. Okay, so this is how the members we apply at next to the level 2, sorry, level 1 and next to the level 2. Okay, so this is the where the first query I'm referring, don't get confused. So this is the level 1 and after that I mentioned the members, and this is the level 2. So this is my level 1 and this is my level 2 and then members. That's what I mentioned. So here we don't get the grand total, but here we get the grand total. So this is about the members property in MDX query. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.